Hey everyone, welcome to Brad's Food Review. Now, Dairy Queen, there's a new item from Dairy Queen. It's called Frosted Animal Cookie Blizzard from Dairy Queen. Yeah, there's pieces of the Frosted Animal Cookie, and of course, self-serve ice cream. Now I'm gonna try see how. Probably a little strawberry come with it too, but so here's what it is right here. So I'm gonna try it. I'll try one more spoonful, then I'll go from there. Very good. I'm going to give this Frosted Animal Cookie Blizzard a 7.5. It's got some of that strawberry flavor with it. I like it, and it's a little more flavorful than some of the other blizzards. It's kind of a hit or miss on the score, but this one I like to have again. But we never know. But thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel called Brad's Food Review. And thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.